Hi, what's up, guys? This is Paul Murphy. So if you're looking for a hot product to promote this year, then I would look no further than ClickFunnels. Okay, and I'll tell you why for a number of very, very big reasons. One, nobody's promoting it, right? I'll show you in a minute. It'll blow your mind. Two, there's a lot of people jumping on this in the next 12 months. So this is a gold mine right now. So it's kind of wide open. It's like a blue ocean and it's a gold mine. Three, it's a golden goose. So it's one of these things with recurring monthly incomes, right? So it kind of ticks a lot of boxes. I'll just show you what we managed to achieve and then I'll show you how you can promote it. And what I'm going to do is give you access to my groundbreaking Launch Hacking Secrets Mastermind, where I actually took 30 students through, and we sell this for $1,500, but you can have it for free today on me, right? So, and I'll show you how to do that. So this is what we did, right? So first of all, like ClickFunnels 2.0 bonuses, you can see this is the 6th of October, ClickFunnels 2.0 launched. And what we did was I just kind of had a little think about like what would make this really attractive to people. Well, first of all, getting in front of people looking for it. So getting it on Google and YouTube, and that's what we do, right? So that was the first thing. Second thing was like, are people going to be looking around for bonuses? Yeah, so I put together a good bonus stack, and don't worry, I've got you on that as well. I'm going to give you my bonus stack, right? So I put that together, and then we just used these kind of like thumbnails on Canva, right? Put these things up, and it just exploded, right? And we were ranking for these kind of crazy keywords. Now, something really interesting happened while we were doing this. You can see I was actually, this plugin here tells you who has the authority on Google and YouTube, which means that when I put up more videos, they're going to give the authority to the people they think have authority over those keywords, right? Now, why I didn't quite understand this is because I'd never promoted ClickFunnels before, right? But also, ClickFunnels is very, very competitive, like normally, right? The last few years, it's been a very competitive term, a very competitive thing to promote. But yeah, in the middle of the biggest launch, and Russell actually said this was the biggest launch they'd ever done, for the term ClickFunnels, I was number 3 on Google and YouTube with this process I'm going to give you, right? So obviously you can just copy it and use it. And you can see here, this is the affiliate leaderboard. All the way through the launch, again, blew me away because this process is just kind of crazy how it just kind of cleans up on affiliate launches, right? We was all the way in the top 10 all the way, and we actually ended up, when people came in with their $10 million subscriber email lists, right? We still placed 13th. Pretty cool. But right up until the last day, I was in the top 10. Right, and then I got like loads of things sent to me. I got an Apple Watch Ultra, and I got like a bunch of candy bars sent at Christmas and things like that from ClickFunnels and from Chris and Tyler who work there, right? So yeah, amazing. And you can see obviously like some of the biggest players in the industry, which I'm not, right? But you know what we have just works, and you know people get results. And you're probably thinking, okay, did you make any money, Paul? Oh, yeah, it sounds good. Well, during 10 days, we made $125,000 in revenue. We got 997 active referrals. So you think about that, right? And yeah, and when I've used this process over and over again, I don't spend money on ads, right? So you can see here that, you know, I am always getting the leaderboards, right, for all the products I promote. Also, when Groove launched a couple of years ago, it's another competitor to ClickFunnels, right? When they launched, we did 317,000 in revenue. And then I obviously use this exact system as well to promote my own stuff. Like I've got my own online courses, and you can see, you know, we're getting 2 comma clubs and, you know, generating high incomes. And by the way, this here is my ad spend. I haven't run an ad for the last nearly 2 years, right? In fact, it's 2 years in February. So I haven't run a single ad for 2 years in February. And the total ad spend since I ever started a Facebook account is $12,500, right? We are going to be running ads because it makes sense. But you kind of get the idea. This is kind of what works really well. And my podcast, which I've never run an ad to either, just using this process as well, we launched that a year ago, and we got the top 10, in the first 12 months, we've got top 10 in 11 countries, including the UK, right? Top 20 in 18 countries, top 50 in 23 countries on Apple iTunes, right? So, like, if that kind of gets you excited, then I would obviously like to give... Oh, by the way, I'll give you a screenshot of that as well. I kind of like to show proof because people think, yeah, kind of like this person's going, oh, look at me. But obviously, I'm not doing it to kind of show off. I want you to kind of think, oh, okay, if it works, then it's going to work for me. And it does, right? Obviously, we've got thousands of students getting results. So I just want to show you that so you can kind of see. And here let me just show you a couple of things, right? So if you're thinking, right, okay, You can do it, Paul, but obviously it's a very competitive product, right? Well, check this out. This is Kartra, one of ClickFunnels' competitors, right? Now, when you look at this, there's a related score, search volume, and competition. And what we're looking for is things in green and very low. Now, very low, there are variations of very low, right? That one's 0.5, which means it's super low. That one's 2.3, which means it's a little bit less lower, right? But look at this, like this one here, Kartra trial, okay? This one here, like if someone's putting in the term Kartra trial, what do you think they're looking for, right? A trial of Kartra. Super buying intent keyword, right? Loads of money to be had. All of these keywords. But let me show you ClickFunnels, because that was the one we were looking at, right? So if I put in ClickFunnels, actually, I'll just put in ClickFunnels without the 2.0, right? Check this out. Now, again, one of the hottest products people are going to be cleaning up in the next 12 months. Look at some of these search for volumes, right? Russell Brunson, this one here is super low. It's got 562,000 searches. So if people are looking for Russell Brunson and you can tie that in with ClickFunnels, bring them over to the product, can make a lot of money. Now, I wouldn't normally go for that, right? Because what we generally do is I will generally look at the ones with buying intent and I'll go and create videos around that, right? So for ClickFunnels tutorial, I'm going to create a tutorial. I'm going to show people what's working with ClickFunnels, how to create landing pages, how to create things. Sometimes I'll make these videos an hour long, right? Because these are really good. And I've got 21,000 people looking for that every single month, right? And this is wide open, right? How to use ClickFunnels, same thing, right? ClickFunnels review, this one here, super low, 5,000 searches a month. Now, by the way, these take a little while to catch up. ClickFunnels only launched a couple of months ago, so I think this is going to be higher, right? But you can see ClickFunnels tutorial for beginners. ClickFunnels, two separate words, look, low, very low, 17,000 searches a month, right? This one here, make money online, this is medium. It's in green, but this is actually, yeah, this one here is okay, but this one's quite broad, right? So I generally go for these ones here. ClickFunnels for beginners, the best ClickFunnels tutorial. Another one that I like, which I can't see on here, but I know it's getting a ton of traffic because people are looking around for bonuses, right? So ClickFunnels, let me just find the actual term, bonuses. It should come up. All right, ClickFunnels bonuses, there you go, 2,731, right? And best ClickFunnels bonuses, so you get extra keywords here. Look at this one here, just for the term ClickFunnels, 104,000. But that could be people logging in, right? Because it's kind of broad, right? So that's what you do. So we just put up videos and we show people how to promote. Now, obviously, if you don't want to put yourself on camera or you want to promote other products, this course that I'm going to give you access to, my Launch Hacking Secrets Mastermind, basically, and this is not a course to sell another course. You know those things where people do it. This is a completely self-contained course that we are selling right now for like $1,500, but I want to give it to you for free, and I'll show you why in a second. Because I know that with this, I'm also going to give you access to our gold membership, right? Now, our gold membership here, you'll see here, I've also put in here how to promote ClickFunnels on YouTube. There's an actual 90-minute training that works hand in hand with this, right? Now, those two things combined is all you're going to need to be able to go and promote ClickFunnels or any other product. In fact, if you're not promoting ClickFunnels, you don't need to watch that video, right? You just need to come in there and go through this mastermind, right? Incredible. Now, you're probably thinking, why am I giving that for free? Why am I not like doing anything special? Now, we've got a gold membership. Now, our gold membership inside of here has got a bunch of extra bonuses. I'll put a link on the screen, and at the moment, you can grandfather yourself in for the lowest ever price. But what you will get at the moment is get a free month just for saying maybe. So for the next 30 days, I'm going to give you access to everything that we just mentioned, absolutely free, just for saying maybe, okay? And I'm also going to give you, if you want to promote ClickFunnels, I'll give you access to a 30-day trial with like $9,000 worth of bonuses from Russell. And of course, you get all my bonuses as well. So obviously, you'll get my bonus stack. So you'll be able to give away my bonus stack, which is kind of what you need, right? And then when you're promoting ClickFunnels or any other product, then you'll have the best bonuses on the planet. So that's a very short video just to kind of show you something that I think is really, really hot right now. I definitely think you should be promoting it, and I definitely think you should get on it. So that's it from me. I'll see you guys in the next video.